With traditional moist heat therapy units, manufacturer recommends that you clean the device every 2 weeks. We here at Richmar with our HydraTherm recommend that you clean the unit every 6 months or twice a year. With the Deluxe unit, you may or may not have the first valve pictured here, but what you will have is this filter system, which has a similar valve. Move that valve to parallel. Make sure that your second valve is parallel. Go in the Deluxe unit, you will have a toggle switch that goes to drain, power on, and allows for the machine to be mechanically empty into any sink or access panel. Okay, once your unit is done draining, you're going to take the power switch, turn it to the off location, switch it back to heat, and don't forget to turn your valves back to their perpendicular position so when you refill you don't accidentally drain your tank. We've just finished draining the HydraTherm tank. The one thing you have to make sure is that you maintain your filter. So make sure that you put the valve position back to perpendicular so it is off. What you're going to then do is twist off counterclockwise, access the filter housing. You'll see a removable screen. You'll just take this under a faucet and make sure your screen is free of any debris. Reinsert the screen back into its original location. Recap and turn clockwise to tighten. You want to pull out your HydraHeat Packs, dry them off with a terry towel, reflatten them, and store them in a flat location. Now it's time to remove and clean dividers. Each divider removes separately. You'll dry it down and then clean with your hard surface disinfect wipe and get them clean. You'll do that to all 5 dividers. Now that your tank is empty, you need your hard surface wipe. You wipe down the inside of your tank. Inspect your heating element and clean the bottom of the water well. If perchance there is any type of buildup or debris on the heating element, we recommend a 1-to-1 vinegar and water solution to clean any of the brass parts inside the tank. Clean up the rubber gasket around the lid surface. Clean up the underbody of the lid around the hinges and the handle. And any type of condensation buildup that may be built around the hinges, you'll wipe that down, clean that up, then you're ready to go.